After this short video, you will get to know more about deep learning technology that can be easily deployed on your projects. We will start by taking some pictures of the products. Let's start the Retina OCR tool and add a picture to our workspace. Then, label the characters to teach the neural network what to learn. As you can see, sometimes printings have big variations, which can make it difficult to read with a conventional vision software. This particular example is showing the power of AI for food and beverage markings and printings, but it can be used in any other industry. Our software is so intuitive that even a kid is able to deploy an industrial vision application. Once we have labeled 7 images, we are ready to start the training process. By experience, we select 200 cycles. It will take less than 1 minute for the machine to learn how to read all the characters, which is pretty quick compared to a human. With each cycle, the network gets better at finding characters as shown in the graph. After the training process, we verify the results to check if our artificial student has matched our expectations. In this example, you will see that our software is able to read more than 100,000 cans per hour. Here we are showing you how to integrate the technology into VStudio within 2 lines of code. That's it, we solved a complex application within minutes thanks to Retina software. Contact us to make your next product a success. Make sure to push like or share if you think this video can be useful to someone else.